Welcome to a crash course on Crash Cash, your go-to guide for understanding why our exciting new Crash game is the next big thing for your retail business. Step 1. Players write down their multipliers and kindly hand them to the shop operator. On the operator side, no training is necessary. This won't take long. Now that was fast. Step 2. Provide your customers with tickets to participate, and they're ready for takeoff. Now sure, operating an aircraft is not the easiest task in the world, but up here, the rules are simple. On the left-hand side, the social pane displays real-time peer activity, including basic peer information, multipliers, wagers, and wins. While our aircraft continues its ascent in the center display, dropped parachutes represent current round wins. But you know how it goes. What goes up eventually must... well, you get the idea. If a player selected multiplier is below the final multiplier of the round, they have themselves a win. For rounds with multiplier bonuses, all winnings are multiplied by the drawn number. For an even more immersive experience, offer Crash Cash on our terminal. The rules are the same, only in this case, the players can get much closer to the action. Plus, our latest T1000 Pro makes for some rather delicious eye candy, if we may say so ourselves. Crash Cash is designed to boost engagement and provide a thrilling retail experience for your customers while offering a straightforward and seamless integration for your business. And if you give us a call today, we may even add in something extra.